Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching, professional-looking thumbnails using Canva even if you're totally new to graphic design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click on your videos, helping your content get the recognition it deserves. Let's dive right in. First off, let's get started by heading over to Canva. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually right up top, and it's your gateway to all of Canva's powerful features. From here, type thumbnail into the search bar. This little trick saves you a ton of time because Canva automatically filters out all the noise and brings you right to designs perfectly sized for YouTube thumbnails. No need to guess measurements or fiddle around with Canva sizes. You get exactly what you need instantly. Now here where things get really fun and efficient, templates. When you search for thumbnail, you're going to see a gallery of ready-made templates, and honestly, there's something for almost every topic and personality out there. Let's say your channel focuses on AI, just type AI into Canva's template search and you'll see templates packed with those futuristic fonts, digital-looking colors, and layouts that viewers associate with tech content. These templates are like your creative head start. They give you a professional framework so you don't have to start from scratch. Go ahead and pick a template that stands out to you, one that not only fits your niche, but also has that visual spark that matches your channel's energy. Once you select your template, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Now, this is where you can really let your personality shine through customization. You want your thumbnail to be uniquely yours, even if you started with a template. Swap out the existing text for your video title or the message you want to highlight. Play around with different font choices or colors, maybe bright yellow to make the text pop, or a unique font that matches your channel branding. Don't be afraid to drag elements around until the balance feels right. If there's an image of a robot or computer in the template, but your video is about AI in healthcare, swap that out for an image that better matches your topic, like a doctor holding a tablet or a digital heartbeat line. A great tip here, less is more. You want people to be able to read your thumbnail even on a tiny phone screen. Try to keep your text big and bold and don't overcrowd the space with too many images. Think of it like a billboard, clear, punchy, and quick to understand. Once your design looks perfect, and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right, it's time to share or download. Canva makes this super easy. Just hit the share button if you want to collaborate with a teammate or click download to save the thumbnail straight to your computer in the best format for YouTube. I recommend PNG for crisp, clear images. And there you have it, your custom YouTube thumbnail made in Canva. With the right design, you'll attract more views and help your channel stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or want tips on other Canva features. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing thumbnails you create.